Hi, my name is Ludas Butkus, and in this video I want to do a quick glance at the top 100 cryptocurrencies and crypto assets. Firstly, Bitcoin, still going strong after a slight correction. It's up again at around $4,200. The correction was even below 4,000 and it has now bounced up again, and I'm thinking it will have another round of a huge increase. So it was 402 and then it jumped slowly to 3,900. So Bitcoin going strong. Ethereum, after bouncing down below 300, it is now up again 30% in the 7 days, and it is now at $300. Ripple, quite stable, 5% in 24 hours, but overall, the last 7 days it has dropped 2%. Very little movement on Ripple. Bitcoin Cash has now quite stably sitting on $300 for one Bitcoin Cash. On this day, actually on August 14th, Poloniex should have released, actually all the holders of Bitcoin should have gotten Bitcoin Cash if you had it on Poloniex. So I'm guessing some movement downwards should happen, if any. Next we have NEO. After being for a long time in the 8th place, it has now jumped up another 100% or so to the 5th place. 160% in the last 7 days, and in the 24 hours it has jumped 18%. Litecoin has a slight drop and is quite stably sitting at $45. IOTA at 84 cents and 80% increase in the last 7 days. NEM has been dropping a little bit, around 5% in the last 7 days. Dash quite stable, 5% up. Ethereum Classic, even though after a recent release of a beta client, 7% decrease. So the markets weren't very interested in that, I suppose. Monero, $48 for one Monero, 1% increase in 7 days. BitConnect, 32% increase. In my opinion, this is a pyramid scheme. Stratus has been losing a lot and is now only $6.20, 12% decrease. Waves, another 12% decrease. BitShares, which is a exchange site by the same developers of EOS and Steam, the price is a slight increase. Zcash, at a very low price of $200. At the peak, I think it was around $400. Steam at $1.15. The price continues to drop, and the downtrend is for a very long time. If we go to Zcash, if we go here, and the last month at the top it was $250. In the last 3 months, it was around $400. So Zcash not doing too great. Bitcoin, a really interesting coin that has a lot of anonymity, something like Monero, but it is dropping quite a bit. It had some spikes, as you can see, and it is now quite low. Lisk, quite stably at $2.20. You can't see a lot of movement on Lisk, but it is a quite stable coin. Stellar, 15% decrease. Dogecoin, 7% decrease. Sia has been doing terribly lately, almost 30% decrease in 7 days. The price is only half a cent right now, and when it was almost 2 cents not that long ago. Byteball 40% decrease, Factom 14% decrease, Komodo 30% increase, game credits, even after they announced a lot of new projects, a lot of new development has happened, they have now decreased 30%. Probably the market didn't react very positively to all that development. They did the grade, is it 20% decrease? NXT 20% decrease, ARC 24% increase, Digibyte 36% decrease. And I'm not going to go any further, I guess. Let's go to the full list that also has the crypto assets. So what's new in the crypto assets? Qtum has jumped to 11th place with a market cap of around 1 billion. The price is $15 and there was a 30% increase. Omisago or OMG tokens, an interesting project. I'm planning on doing a video about it. Has increased 125% in the last 7 days. 10x also increased 120%. Should take a look at that as well. Some interesting stuff happening. Tether gaining a lot of market cap. Veritasium has been going down and is now only 22nd. Economy $3. A recent ICO Civic, which I think is similar to Factom, actually has gone way up above Factom and has had a 200% increase. Basic attention tokens, something similar to Steam, something similar to AMP's scenario is sitting at 31st place with a market cap of 200 million, so not that far away from Steam. Gnosis 8% decrease. What other interesting coins? Binance coin. This is a Chinese exchange coin, and as you can see, it had an increase of 900% in the last 7 days in just a week, and 172% in 24 hours. So this is just crazy. I'm assuming this is because of all the NEO and gas trading that is happening. It's one of not that many exchanges actually have gas. I think it's the only exchange that is in English that has gas. Only Chinese exchanges have it, and not that many have NEO. So probably this is why it is growing that much, and that's something to take a look at, I'm guessing. What else do we have here? Aragon 241, $17. Bitcoin Dark. Gas has had a 300% increase and is now sitting at $25. Kind of slowed down a little. Bitcoins, a multi-wallet, a recent ICO, has had a huge run-up, 400%. A really good investment if you have been involved in the ICO. Amercoin, a really popular coin in Russia, in those regions, a 22% decrease, but overall it has a decent market cap, and there are a lot of users, as I have noticed. Monaco, $4 per coin, 150% increase. A recent ICO where they launched a Visa debit card that uses cryptocurrencies. Zcoin, I think this is a hard fork of Zcash. This doesn't have a huge market cap. $10 for one Zcoin, 30% increase, and we are around 100. Redcoin, it's on Poloniex. Libri credits also on Poloniex. Some interesting projects for micropayments, and this is for content monetization, though they are not doing too great. And this, I will end this video, I'm guessing, right here, and there was Polybius, an ICO that I have invested in and can't see it anymore. 1 second, yes, 159, has been dropping quite a lot. The ICO price was at $10. If I had any spare money, I would probably get some of these, because when the development starts, I'm guessing it should at least go to the ICO price, which was 10 euros, not $10. So the price should at least triple, and if everything goes okay, it should go even higher. So this is it for this video. Hope you got a quick glance at the market right now. Overall, the Bitcoin is rising, and all the other altcoins are quite stable. Only some newcomers are actually jumping up by 100% or even more. A huge newcomer, Neo. I shot a video yesterday about it if you want to take a look and learn more about it. So this is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.